My name is Ed Bontempo. I am a solutions engineer with VMware, and this is Getting Started with Aria Operations. Aria Operations is our capacity and cloud operations solution for multi-cloud scenarios, including vSphere, public cloud, and the VMware Cloud. The Getting Started lab helps our users who are new to Aria Operations understand some of the early features, the initial features, some of the baseline features, and a way to leverage the cost and capacity planning functionality and to get started with it. This lab is designed for users who are just starting with Aria Operations, those who are unfamiliar with it, or maybe those who are coming back to it after a long absence, those who have just purchased it and have stood it up in their environment and are looking to figure out what foundational features to begin to leverage. So the goal of the lab is to help just deliver that initial knowledge, to help you get more comfortable with it, to learn the specific, the various features of the product, where everything's located, how to get started using it. We dive into more detail in later labs, but this is to help you get started, build that initial comfort level. This lab typically will not be updated over time. We tend to leave this one in place, and we'll update some of the later exercises in the later labs in our series. We might add some additional content to this one depending on user demand, but usually we like to have this one as a foundational entry point into Aria Operations. Aria Operations can be an overwhelming solution if you're unfamiliar with it, if you're coming into it for the first time and just trying to navigate around the interface yourself and learn about the functionality. It's good to have some foundational knowledge to get comfortable with the features that are out of the box, to learn what you can do with it at the starting point before you begin to dive into customizing it. I highly recommend it for those of you who are getting into Aria Operations, looking to find ways to manage capacity in your environment and deliver a more holistic view into your environment. Used Aria Operations as a customer prior to joining VMware, and labs like this help me to get more comfortable with it.